Hello, my name is OZ. In this video, I'm bringing you an update on the Lagos Blue Line Phase 2. Let's see what's happening here this January 2024.
Honestly, there is serious progress on the Lagos Blue Line Phase 2. With the way things are going, I'm very sure in the next 3 years, based on the estimated time given for this project, we'll surely ride train from Mile 2 down to Okoko, and that will be so lovely. The first phase of Lagos Blue Line, which started commercial operation in September 2023, is not only getting better, but it's breaking record already. The second phase of this project is not left out. There are a series of work going on that axis. I personally went to the site to see what's happening on the Lagos Blue Line Phase 2, which I started from Mile 2 down to First Gate, then Oluti, straight to Vwagin, down to Okoko. I'll be giving you all the updates on what's happening on this corridor. Just stay tuned. The second phase of the Lagos Blue Line spanned from Mile 2 down to Okoko. The first phase of the Lagos Blue Line terminated at First Gate Bridge, while the second one continued right from there. There is a serious commitment on this work. In our last update, I told you guys that they want to bring down this bridge and reconstruct the bridge to the capacity of the Lagos Blue Line. When I got there, I noticed they have started work. In fact, they are now breaking down the bridge, which I will show you as we continue. In one sentence, if I should describe what I saw, I would just say progress. There's a lot of progress going on here. If you watch the last update on December, you'll see that a lot has changed, and I believe by February more will still come. So let's proceed to the other part of the road and see what is happening there. Go nowhere. The track lines are cleared from this first gate. As we proceed, we'll be giving you updates on other part of the road. So let's start from the Festac first gate. This is what you'll see when you visit Festac today. The road tracks are cleared up, it's dry season actually, so there's a lot of progress. But let's get closer. Let's have a view of the track lines and see what it looks like currently. So this is the track line of the first gate. That was the Festac first gate. If you're familiar with this road, this is currently Festac first gate, and this is what you see if you ever visit this axis. This is what it currently look like as of January. So let's proceed to other part of the city and see what you will get. This is the Agboju area of Badagry Expressway. This is what you will see today when you visit Badagry, January. So let's get closer to the track line and see.
Please, guys, like, subscribe, and most importantly, you can share this video. Share the video, because if you don't share, this video becomes relevant. You get all our efforts becomes nothing.
Next location is Alakija. This is where you find another team of workers working on the Lagos Blue Line Phase 2. The blue line will definitely have a flyover right here at Alakija. Right from what I saw, they're already forming the pillars that will carry the flyover. Even a novice can tell what is going on here because the job is becoming visible enough. I will allow you to watch for yourself and continue after that. My next stopover was at Vwagin. Actually, there's nothing to show you in other parts of the corridor. What you see at Vos is what you see in other parts of the place. So let's get closer to the track lines and see what is looking like as of January 2024. This is Vwagin, Lagos, Nigeria. So right here we are very close to Yanoba. Our next stopover will be Okoko.
Guys, this is Okoko, the last destination for the Lagos Blue Line Phase 2. As you can see, this is all is happening on this project as of January 2024.
I arrived at Okoko to see what the Blue Line Phase 2 hold for this corridor. If you don't know, this place will have a station. So this is the track line. As you can see, this is what it's looking like currently now, January 2024. Yeah, this is Okoko, the red tracks. You can see it's lit at double. Work will soon commence on this place, which I'll keep an eye on, giving you updates on what is currently happening on this project. Just stay tuned. Yeah, last time I came here, it wasn't like this. It's getting better actually.
Guys, like, subscribe, you can buy me coffee. I appreciate that a lot. You can support our next project to also be appreciated. All links will be in the video description. 2024 will move. This year we're not stopping for anybody. You get? So please just follow through. And I would like to get your feedback in the comment section of this video. One love, guys. One love. Nigeria must get better in our time. Nigeria will never fall under our watch. So guys, support the journey and follow through. Thank you for coming this far with me on this video. See you on the next one. Just follow through.